Hey y'all, welcome to Remedy Kitchen where I got what you need. It's your boy Lorenzo and I've been gone for a hot little minute, but I'm back and I'm better. It's 2020. Today is actually my birthday. Like it's the 27th. Aquarius Nation, baby. Go with the flow. I don't know what I was doing. I don't know what I was doing with my arms, but disregard that. Today's my birthday. I'm feeling real special. Thank you to everybody who wished me happy birthday. I had to film this video. I was feeling too productive. I was feeling too enlightened. I'm about to give y'all something that y'all didn't know you needed because you thought you already had it, but I'm giving it to you better. I got so inspired by the great American restaurant that is Popeyes and their delectable chicken sandwich. Delicious, 8 out of 10 stars. So today we're doing a spicy, crispy chicken sandwich. It's delicious. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into this video because y'all, it's so damn good. Woo. All right, I'm starting off with some big boys. These are some really thick chicken breasts. They like 3/4 of an inch to an inch thick, and that just most certainly ain't gonna do. It's gonna take forever to fry. So, get you a little mallet, or in my case, a little pot or pan. Put your chicken breast into a grocery bag or a Ziploc bag, and just pound away. This is your moment to get all your weekly frustration out. From work, from home, from a girlfriend, from a boyfriend, whomever. Pound it out till it's about a half an inch thick, like such. You see how much more even it's pounded out? And now comes the fun part. We got our hot sauce, we got our buttermilk, we got the chicken that we pounded out earlier, and our delicious blend of spices. I put that below. Put your spices and your hot sauce into your buttermilk, and then go ahead and get the chicken that you pounded out earlier and mix it into the marinade. Mix it until it's all nicely incorporated, till the marinade turns the color of the spices, till everything's nice and coated, and then get it wrapped up and in the fridge for at least, at the minimum, like 2 hours. Those flavors need to seep in, permeate, and just get all up inside of that chicken, okay? And while that's doing that, we can work on our pickles. Let go. Y'all, this bread and butter pickle is delicious. So let's get into it. We got our cucumber, we got our spices, we have some white granulated sugar, and we have some white vinegar. You can use whatever kind of vinegar you want. I chose white because that's what it is. Look at my little cutting board, y'all. Isn't it cute? I got it as a Christmas gift last year, and I'm never ever getting rid of this. I'm definitely gonna show it off every single video as much as I can. So slice up your cucumber into like 1/4 inch or like 1/8 inch pieces, however thin you want them. I want them kind of thick. Put your vinegar into the pot, followed by your sugar and your spices, and basically you're gonna throw everything together onto a high heat and let everything dissolve, but not come to a boil. And as soon as it's ready, you're gonna pour it directly over the cucumbers and let it sit in the fridge for at least 12 hours to marinate and get delicious. Meanwhile, that's marinating. We're gonna start on our chipotle aioli. So I got some HEB brand mayo. You can use Duke's, Hellmann's, whatever you like. Get that into your food processor with a Fresno chili and a can of chipotle and adobo with a splash of lemon juice. We're gonna blend that up till it's nice and smooth, and then season it with some Slap Your Mama. Use that with moderation and use it to taste. Give it one last blend and you'll be ready to go. Alright, I got my chicken that's been marinating for the past 3 hours. You can absolutely let it marinate even longer. The longer the better, but no longer than a day. A day is fine. And I got the flour with the exact same spices as the marinade, because you got to reinforce that flavor. Somebody asked me, do you season your flour or your chicken? I was like, or. Then right beside that, I got my pot filled about halfway with some oil, heated at 350. Then I got us a landing station for our chicken. Let's get it. Take your tongs, get your chicken, and put it directly into the flour and start dredging it. If them tongs ain't doing you justice like they wasn't doing me, get your hands to get nice and dirty, get your hands up in there and do the work yourself. So really pack that flour on there, really press it down, press it until you're gonna have a nice crispy coating on the outside. Shake off the excess and then put it directly into the oil. This is gonna fry for about 6 to 8 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. Just in case you're real scared about undercooking chicken, because that stuff is scurry. And then bada boom. Look how crispy and delicious that chicken looks, y'all. It's even juicier on the inside. And you really can't finish the sandwich without having some nice buttery toasted buns. Melt you some butter down and then get your bread down there for about 20-30 seconds, and then bada boom. You got some nice buttery toasted bread. Let's build these sandwiches. Leg out. Alright, so we got our chicken breast out of the fryer. I'm so fucking excited to eat this because the marinating, frying, everything is about to be worth it. But y'all know I don't normally eat alone. I always have somebody with me. None other this time than the great Chicken Head. Show us something. But we about to build our chicken sandwich. So I got my Chipotle mayo, we got my bread and butter pickles. We about to get it.
I've been good.
First of all, look how big the chicken breast is in comparison to the bun. Damn!
I'm not gonna have a hard time fitting that in my mouth.
Ooh. And but I'm gonna start off and I'm gonna start off with a little Chipotle mayo. I'm not gonna lie, this is a little spicy. It's a spicy chicken sandwich, so what other? And then a little bread and butter pickles, you know. Shayla does not like bread and butter pickles, so I'm literally piling these hoes on.
Hate them.
But just like that, my big ass oversized chicken sandwich is made. Like,
That shit is dripping.
damn, drip got that drip. Ooh.
Drip, drip.
Can't be dripping. Ooh. And you know I have to make some fries. Check out my fry video for that because I ain't about to do that again.
You know what this needs? A little bit of this. And a little bit of that.
Curiosity. Alright y'all, that was my chicken sandwich video. Popeyes could never. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Please subscribe, please like, please share. Thank you so much for watching. And please, leave a suggestion. What else do you want to see? Because I read every single comment, every time.
All two of them.
Oh.
If you want to see more of me, let us know. I may do something in the kitchen.
You never know.
Remedy. We ill 88 niggas rolling out. Wood grain wheels, see me poking out. H-time true niggas run their mouth. Top for treadmills, niggas run their mouth. Word. I'm riding around like